Scientists are baffled, and the universe is far stranger than anything we've imagined. Dark matter, black holes, and cosmic mysteries that even experts can't explain await us. In the next 15 minutes, you'll see facts that will completely change the way you think about space. Nearly 27% of the universe is invisible. Dark matter. We can't see it, touch it, or feel it. Yet it pulls galaxies like an invisible hand. Imagine billions of stars moving as if something unseen is controlling them. That's dark matter in action. Some stars are so massive that they could swallow our entire solar system and still shine brighter than billions of suns combined. Picture our sun as just a tiny dot next to these cosmic giants. Black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they bend time and space itself. Imagine spending 1 hour near a black hole while years pass outside. Reality itself warps in ways that seem like science fiction. Yet scientists have observed these effects for real. Time doesn't always behave the way we think, near massive objects like neutron stars or black holes. It can slow down dramatically, creating experiences that challenge our very sense of reality. Some theories even suggest that something existed before the Big Bang, though we have no way of knowing what it was. Could there have been another universe, or some unimaginable force that sparked everything we know? The answers remain hidden, leaving us with questions that challenge everything we think we understand. The universe is more mysterious than we can ever comprehend, and these secrets are just the beginning. What else could be hiding just beyond the reach of our telescopes and instruments? Every discovery seems to open a door to even greater unknowns, and the secrets we haven't found yet might shock us all.